Hello, it's Esther here and welcome back to another simplified Edtech tutorial specially made for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the virtual background feature on Zoom. Then I'm going to show you a tool where you can get the best of the best backgrounds. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can see the full package. The Zoom virtual background feature is enabled by default, but if you're not able to use it, you want to check your settings. So we're going to navigate to setting using the setting icon, and then we go on to view more settings. And this is going to open up your Zoom settings, the entire settings, and once it's fully loaded, you go on to in meeting advanced. Click on that and scroll down to virtual background. Here my virtual background feature is active, and you can also see below that you can either allow or disallow use of videos of virtual backgrounds. I have allowed the use of videos as virtual backgrounds. I am ready to go. I'm going to return to my Zoom. I'm back on my Zoom. I go to settings and then I locate background and filters. Here you're gonna see your Zoom and then you'll be able to see the preview of your background. We have quite a number of background. None, blur. None is when you're not using any background. Then we have blur, we have San Francisco and many others, right? And then you can also use a green screen if you have one. Now I'm gonna click on San Francisco, and here I'm able to check whether I have a green screen or not. I do not have a green screen. You do not need a green screen to use the Zoom virtual background feature. Remember that the virtual background can be static or a video. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you can get videos or images for your virtual backgrounds. Now we have quite a number of backgrounds already here. You can feel the beach behind you. You want to make sure that when you're using a virtual background, you limit your movements to the barest minimum, because if you keep moving up and down, it's gonna get messy and you won't like it. So you want to make sure that your body movement is minimal. Now I am not satisfied with the backgrounds I have here. I want to import a background of my choice. I'm going to click on the addition sign and add image or video. You can add an image or you add a video. I want to proceed to add an image. Then I locate the image I want to add on my computer, click on the image and upload it to Zoom. What you see here is the preview of the image. This is what you're gonna have when you start your meeting. This is what it's gonna look like, and see, when I start moving it gets really messy. Alright, so my background is ready and I actually want to start a meeting right now. I go on to start a meeting. My meeting is on. Please know that you cannot use a virtual background with your video off. I'm gonna turn on my video and then you see me with my background. My background is right there. See the movement and it gets messy, right? Now I want to change this background because I don't like it anymore and I don't want to end my meeting. I click on the arrow next to stop video and then I go on to choose virtual background, or rather I go on to blur my background. This is a recent update. Make sure your Zoom is updated. I click on choose virtual background and then I go on to blur or grass, whatever I want. And now my background has been changed. You can change your background during your meeting. You don't have to wait till the end of the meeting before you change your background. The next thing I want to show you on this tutorial is where you can get your images and virtual backgrounds from. Now I am on my browser. I'm gonna type pexels.com, pexels, pexels.com in my browser, and once it loads up, I'm gonna search a keyword that's education. Now I have photos, videos, and users. I would click on videos because what I want is a video, and then I look for a video that suits me, one video that I like. This is beautiful. I have a video I like, an empty classroom. I click on the empty classroom, and in the top right corner you can see free download. Stop! Do not download yet. Next to the free download, you see the drop down arrow. It shows the resolutions that are available. You have original, HD, SD. And you need to note that the acceptable resolution, the highest resolution you can put, the maximum resolution you can put on Zoom is 1280 by 720. If it exceeds that, it's not gonna load up. Before it was 1920 by 1080, but now it's 1280 by 720. So instead of downloading the original, download the HD, which is 1280 by 720. I click on HD and then free download. Now it is downloading on my computer. It is on my computer now. And what I want to do is to move this file to a location or a directory on my computer where I can locate it. I'm doing that. Now that I have the video in the directory I can easily locate, I'm gonna go back to my Zoom and go on to settings, scroll down to background and filters. I am there now. I want to import the video I just downloaded into my Zoom. I click on the addition sign, add video, and I go on to locate it. It's right there, uploading. Now I have my virtual background. It looks beautiful. I love it. It's an empty moving classroom. That's all you need to know about virtual backgrounds. Now you can go ahead to test out this feature. Do let me know in the comment section how you find this feature, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please ensure to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos arrive. Au revoir! That's the end, yo! Thank you for watching this video. Please ensure to leave comments on how you've been using the background feature, and if you're trying it out for the first time, let me know how the experience was. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos pop up. Thank you. Au revoir.